take out the app manual. Scan the QR code, download and install the software. Install the battery and deploy the arm of the UAV. Place it on the horizontal ground. Press the start button for about 3 seconds, and the UAV light will flash. Expand the remote control and start it automatically. Push the left rocker up to the top and then down to the bottom. After hearing the beep, the lights of the UAV and the remote control become normally on. The frequency matching is completed. Push the left rocker to the bottom right, the right rocker to the bottom left at the same time. The remote control beeps, the light of the UAV flashes quickly and becomes normally on. The compass calibration is completed. Open the mobile phone Wi-Fi settings. Find the password-free Wi-Fi with the name of Flow4K, and click Connect. After connect, some mobile phones will prompt that Wi-Fi has no network. Ignore it, and do not disconnect or switch Wi-Fi. Open the downloaded app, click the Start button. The camera is connected successfully. All pre-flight preparations have been completed. Push the left rocker to the bottom left and the right rocker to the bottom right. The UAV can be unlocked. Then push the left rocker up, can take off. Or simply press the one button take off button. And the UAV will take off automatically. Rise. Decline. Turn left. Turn right. Forward. Back off. Fly left. Right side fly. One touch takeoff. One touch landing. Headless mode. Adjust speed. One click stunt roll over. Emergency stop. When replacing blades, it is necessary to distinguish blades A and B need to be installed according to this figure. Incorrect installation will cause the UAV to fail to fly normally. When the UAV light starts to flash slowly, it indicates that the UAV power is low. Operate the UAV to return and land. Take out the battery and wait for cooling before charging. The red light is always on when the battery is charged. The green light is always on after filling.